bonke abathi singama vigilante, kubo bonke abathi si xenophobic, kubo bonke abantu abathi sipush tribalism, kubo bonke abantu abathi we are unskilled men. Who is unskilled now? Abantu baseGhana, they've been making a lot of noise. Abantu baseGhana bekhuluma ngokuthi bahlukunyezwa, banamaphepha, bayiyo yonke into. Kodwa namhlanje siyathola ukuthi kubantu abawu 300 only 10 were verified to have proper documents. Bafowethu, my African brothers, we don't hate you. We are just fixing our country. Thank you, Ghana. Thank you, Ghana, for standing up for your people. Thank you, Ghana, for coming and fetching your people. And we call on all African brothers and sisters to go back to their countries so we can fix South Africa so that you can come back. And also, this should be an inspiration to you guys to go back to your countries and fight for your countries. This should be a learning curve for your governments to start loving its own people. Governments of Africa must start loving it. If we want united Africa, let us unite Africa with proper countries, proper functioning countries. That's all we are asking for. There is no xenophobia, there is no tribalism, and there will be no violence. We are just asking foreigners to leave this country, illegal foreigners, because every country has got laws. Even the laws of their countries are more tougher than our laws. So respect this country. We are men. We are standing up. We are fighting for this country. 30 June is the deadline for every foreigner to have left the country. Thank you very much.